Sanita, I am your maths teacher. I hope everyone completed till the exercise 5. Next I am going to start exercise 6. Everyone be ready with your textbook, pen, pencil, scale and notebook. Be attentive in maths class. Listen properly. If you listen properly means you will get all problems. Okay students. So I hope everyone what is the meaning of vertically opposite angles, everyone know, I think, because already I explained previous class only. Okay, so what is the meaning of vertically opposite angles? So vertically opposite angle means it has common vertex and both are opposite to each other. So then they are said to be vertically opposite angles. So exercise 6. I am going to start exercise 6. That is page number, everyone open your textbook, page number 76. Page number 76. The continuation of chapter 4. So exercise 6, first bit. Name two pairs of vertically opposite angles in the figure. They are given figure like this. AB line segment is given, and in that other line segment CD is intersected. CD is intersected, and other line OE. Okay, so it is intersected by these lines. So here observe what they are asking. Listen properly. Name two pairs of. What is the meaning of pair? Pair means two. So they are asking two pairs of vertically opposite angles in the figure. In this figure, you have to mention which are vertically opposite angles. In this figure, which are vertically opposite angles? You have to mention two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So what is the meaning of vertically opposite angles? They are having common vertex and they both are opposite to each other. Both are opposite to each other. So here observe which are opposite to each other. So here observe in this figure, I think these and these opposite to each other, and they both are having common vertex. Yes or not? Yes, common vertex and they both are opposite to each other. So directly we can say that angle AOD, angle AOD, and this and this, they both are vertically opposite angles because they both are having common vertex and opposite to each other. Angle AOD and angle COB or else BOC, angle BOC. These are the vertically opposite angles. I am using shortcut angles. Okay students, next you observe which are vertically opposite angles. So which are in this figure, any vertically opposite angles are there? Yes or no? You observe, total figure you can observe. So which are vertically opposite angles? Already we have found. So angle AOD, angle BOC. These are the vertically opposite angles. And one more, they are asking two pair of them. So two pair of means already one pair we got and other pair we want. So how can we find? So you observe in this figure. So angle AOC, this total angle is vertically opposite to this total angle. Yes or not? Because they both are having common vertex. They both are opposite to each other. Else they both are having common vertex and they both are vertically opposite to each other. So that's why they both are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC and angle BOD, vertically opposite angles. Angle AOC, complete this angle, and this complete this angle BOD, angle BOD. These are the vertically opposite angles. Got it students? Okay. Next, exercise 6, first problem finished, and second one, it is most important. Children listen properly. Okay. So first problem finished, and second one, find the measures of x, y, x comma y comma Z without actually measuring them. So what they are asking without measuring them, actually measuring them, we have to find out X, Y, Z values. How can you find? So simple. It is depending on vertically opposite angle definition only. It is depending on vertically opposite angle definition. So what is the meaning of vertically opposite angle? So what is the meaning of vertically opposite angles? It has common vertex and opposite to each other. So simple. That is definition is most important. So they are given like this. So in this figure, you can observe here y angle is given. Here they are given z angle. Just identification purpose I am using different charts. This is given x and this is given, down one is given 160 degrees. Students, simple. I think you got idea about this problem. Yes. So what is the x value? What is the y value? What is the z value? Simply you can say. So tell me how can we take? So say this. You observe in this figure. In this figure, vertically opposite angles are there. Any angles are? Yes. Here observe y and 160. They both are having common vertex and they both are opposite to each other. So that's why they both are vertically opposite angles. So angle y is equal to 160. They both are vertically opposite to each other. So that's why angle y is equal to 160. So here observe, and remaining we want x and y z. X and z values. Y we got already. So we want x and z values. How can you say x and z values? So they both are vertically opposite. Yes or not? They both are vertically opposite and common vertex is there and they both are opposite to each other. So that's why angle x is equal to angle z. Angle x is equal to angle z. But we want x and z values also we want. So how can you find x and z values? Simple, students. First observe. These are vertically opposite means y value is equal to 160 degrees. So x and z are the vertically opposite. So that's why x is equal to z value. So one more we can observe these x and 160 degrees. These are the adjacent angles. Yes or not? These are the adjacent angles because they both are having common vertex and common arm. So x and 160 are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So what is the meaning of adjacent? So x plus 160, it should be equal to 180. X plus 160 is equal to 180. So x keep here only, we want x value. So that's why x keep here only. 160 transpose to this. So 180 degrees minus 160 is nothing but 20 degrees. So x degree we got already. So what is the meaning of x degree? X degree is equal to 20 degrees. So that x is equal to y, they are only given. X is equal to z. Sorry, x is equal to z. So already x value we know 20. So z also 20 degrees. So x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 160 and z is equal to 20 degrees. So you observe it is possible for adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles are not checked. So this is 20, this is 160 and this is 20 and this is also 20. Yes, vertically opposite angles are equal. Yes, 160 is equal to 160 and vertically opposite angles are equal. So 20 degrees is equal to 20 degrees. Yes. Next, adjacent is formed or not? 160 plus 20. These two angles observe. X plus y is equal to 180. Yes, 160 plus 20. 180 degrees. Here also 120 plus 160. 180 degrees. 160 plus 20. 180 degrees. And 20 plus 160. 180 degrees. Yes, it is formed. Got it, students? So, should I write it here? So, y plus x is equal to 180 because they both are adjacent angles. Y plus x is equal to 180 because they both are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So 160 plus 20, 180. Yes. Next, x plus 160. X plus 160 is equal to 180. So x means 20 degrees. So 20 degrees. 20 plus 160 is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Yes, adjacent angles. Here mentioned adjacent angles. Next, 160 plus z. 160 plus z. 160 plus z is equal to 180 degrees. So 160 plus z is nothing but 20 degrees. So 180. Yes, 180. Because they both are adjacent angles. So here mentioned adjacent angles. Yes, it is correct. So that's why x is equal to 20 degrees, y is equal to 160, z is equal to 20 degrees. So got it, students? Our conclusion is x, y, z values. Next, in this and third one, that is your homework. Give some examples of vertically opposite angles in your surroundings. So what you observe in your surroundings, which are vertically opposite angles, you have to mention. Give some examples of vertically opposite angles in your surroundings. That is your homework. Next, got it, students? Everyone, till here everyone understood? So till here you have to complete exercise 6. Students, write neatly in your classwork. Okay. Next, transversal. So what is the meaning of transversal? So transversal means we are taking three lines. Two lines are parallel lines, other one it is intersected by other line. So then you will get transversal. So what is the meaning of transversal? So for example, in your real life, railway track, observe the railway track. So two lines, two tracks are there. In middle, one line is there. That is called transversal. Okay, you observe railway track, you will get idea about transversal. Okay, so transversal. What is the meaning of transversal? A line which intersected by other two lines at two different testing points, then it is called as transversal. Should I tell one example? For example, here two lines are there. Here these two lines are there. This other line is intersected at two different points. This green color chalk is known as transversal. This green color chalk is known as transversal. Got it, students? These two parallel lines. This line is intersected by anyway it is intersected by these parallel lines at two different points. Then it is called as transversal. This green color chalk is known as transversal. Okay, students? So what is the meaning of transversal? A line which intersects two or more points at different points, then it is called as transversal. So got it, students? So I am taking one example. AB line and CD line. AB and CD line. So L line is intersected, yes, at different points. Then it is called as L is the transversal of these two lines. Okay, AB line, CD, these two are parallel lines. L is intersected by these two parallel lines at different points. Then it is called as transversal. L is the transversal of AB and CD. So got it, students? So in this, here so many angles are formed and so many definitions are there in this. So listen properly. It is the most important for further exercise and it is most important for further classes also. So listen properly. So I am taking two parallel lines, that is two parallel lines A, B, C, and other line is intersected by it. This line is intersected. So here so many angles are formed, yes or not? Yes, in this so many angles are formed. So how can it is possible? Look at here. Yes or not? Here also. Observe here. So here one angle is formed like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many angles are formed? 8 angles are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many angles are formed? 8 angles are formed. In this, so many definitions are depending on this figure only. This is the most important figure. So first one, already you know, first definition, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So what is the meaning of vertically opposite angles? Everyone knows already. It has common vertex and opposite to each other. Here which are vertically opposite angles? Tell me. Angle 1, 3. These two are the vertically opposite angles. Angle 2, angle 4. These are the vertically opposite angles. Angle 5, angle 7. Angle 5, angle 7. These are the vertically opposite angles. Angle 6, angle 8. These are the vertically opposite angles. You have to mention here which are vertically opposite angles. So in this, angle 1, angle 3 are vertically opposite angles, and angle 2, angle 4. These are the vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, and angle 5, angle 7. Angle 5, angle 7 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 6, angle 8. Angle 6, angle 8 are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, you can observe angle 3 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Definitely, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Like that you have to assume. So got it, students? Vertically, what is the meaning of vertically opposite angles? Clear, everyone? Next, alternate interior angles. So what is the meaning of alternate interior angles? In this figure, you can observe some interior angles are there and some exterior angles are there. So interior means which angles are inside is there. Which angles are inside is there, then that angles are called as interior angles. So here angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. These are the interior of these two parallel lines. Yes, inside of the parallel lines are not. Yes, inside of the parallel lines angles are called interior angles. Outside which angles are there? Angle 2, angle 3, sorry, angle 2, angle 1, angle 8, angle 7. These are the exteriors. Exterior means outside. Outside of these parallel lines. So that's why they are called as exterior angles. So clear, students, everyone? Interior means inside. Exterior means outside. So interior of angles means which angles are inside of these two parallel lines are called interior angles. So 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the interior angles. Exterior means outside of the parallel lines. Which are outside of the parallel lines? So angle 1, 2, 7, 8. These are the interior. Interior means outside. So that's why they are exterior angles. So clear, students, everyone? So I will tell you. Okay. Here, first definition, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So, what is the meaning of alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles. So, alternate means angle 4, angle 6. These are the alternate interior angles. So, angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. These are the alternate interior angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. These are the alternate interior. Why they both are equal? Means alternate interior angles of the transversal. So that's why they both are equal. Next, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. So why they both are equal? Alternate interior angles. Next, clear, students? Here, repeat here, everyone clear? So why I am taking angle 4 is equal to angle 6 means alternate interior angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. They both are equal. Why? Alternate interior angles. Next, you observe here which are alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior angles. Exterior angles. So which are alternate exterior angles? Observe. Exterior means outside. Exterior means outside. So angle 1, angle 8. Angle 1, angle 8, angle 2, angle 7. So like this you have to assume. Till here understood, students? So alternate exterior angles next class I will discuss with you. Okay students, till here everyone complete your classwork. Alternate interior angles. Till here everyone complete and learn all definitions and practice all definitions in your rough book. Okay students, got it? Everyone understood? So next class I will discuss with alternate exterior angles and corresponding angles. So many angles are depending. So next class I will discuss exercise 7 also. So be ready with next class. Okay students, thank you.